All right, so what we want to do, we need to heat these suckers up to saute. Because I want to sear my meat on all sides before we set it to cook. That's right. So we're gonna heat these up. Boom. We're gonna need some oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in the bottom of both of these while they heat up. Once they're hot, these suckers will say hot on the display.
The Rod Elmore Show has partnered with The New Baby Boutique. The New Baby Boutique is an American e-commerce company who specializes in cute newborn baby outfits. Use the link in the description to receive 10% off your purchase and let Newborn Baby Boutique help you create special moments for your bundle of joy.
All right, so these say hot, so they're ready for me to sear the meat. So I have my pork boneless ribs right here. Kind of weird that we would call these ribs when there are no bones, right? I don't know. I don't come up with this stuff, folks. I just cook it. Yeah, I just cook it. I got me some seasoning. This is complete mixed seasoning. All we're gonna do is season this sucker and sear it. I'm gonna season like that. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put this in, and we'll season the other side after it's in the Instant Pot. As you notice, I have paper towel down to suck up the water. Because if you haven't noticed, water makes it real difficult to brown any type of meat. So I wanted to make sure I got the water out, or as much water out as I could as possible. So when I put it in here, it doesn't take forever to sear. Throw a little bit more seasoning on these three. Look like they got gypped a little bit. And when you're cooking in your house, you can put as much or as less of seasoning on your meat as you want. Why? Because it's your kitchen and your meal. It looks like we are done searing on all sides, so we gotta take that out. Gonna take it out of the Instant Pot. Throw it on our baking sheets. Have a cup of vinegar. We're going to put in the bottom of both of our Instant Pots. Going to go ahead and scrape the bottom off of it. Get that nice, all that nice flavoring that's on the bottom. Take our trivet, put it over here. It's going to act like a trivet for us. We're just going to stick our meat back into the Instant Pot so we can get to cooking. Set these to manual, and we're going to put them on 20 minutes. So manual, make sure it's high pressure, keep that up to 20. Now we just going to let that do its thing. it looks like we're done cooking. Let's check it out. So now these don't have any sauce on them. And if you want to put sauce, you can. Since we're doing the whole 30 with our meat today, we're not going to put sauce on it. Here we have it, folks. Boneless pork rib. Got some roasted potatoes, along with some roasted broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Delicious. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I don't know why people like to watch videos and don't hit the thumbs up button. It's just crazy. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, comment, feel free to share it. You know what? I recommend you share it. Okay? Alright. Until next time.